Premier Building Solutions was founded by Chuck Roberts and Ron Gehring in 2011. PBS is a team, with everyone pulling on the rope in the same direction. Our current staff has been with Premier for anywhere from 4 to 11 years. The culture around here is that everyone cares about their fellow employees, which I also feel transfers to our clients. Our clients become part of our family. We as a team are very passionate about the clients and communities that we serve. We're in the business of building relationships one job at a time. Bonnyville Microtel is an 87-suite hotel that was originally built by Master Built Construction in 2014. This was among one of the first hotels that they constructed. In early 2019, Premier Building Solutions was approached by Master Built Construction to design and construct a pool water slide area onto the existing hotel and to also transfer an existing meeting room into a full-service bar lounge area complete with an outdoor covered patio. When we started to install the cast-in-place concrete piles, Kitchen Contracting, who was the chosen contractor, discovered that the soil conditions were not suitable for cast-in-place concrete piles. After completing a cost analysis between drilling the piles 5 meters deeper in depth or changing to screw piles, it was decided that we would proceed with screw piles. The hotel was still a fully functioning business, so when it came time to complete the demo of the existing meeting room, complete the construction of the new, and receive deliveries for the new bar lounge area, we had to coordinate with the hotel staff so that we would not disturb their clients during their stay. We are extremely happy with how the design and construction of the pool addition and converting the existing meeting room into the bar and lounge complete with the outdoor patio not only looked when it was completed, but how well it functioned. The hotel staff and the clients have both been raving about the final product since the construction has been completed. We look forward to continuing our working relationship with Master Built.